LG presents a 190-litre 5-star direct-cool single-door refrigerator. It features toughened glass shelves capable of holding heavy food items. It has a lattice-type box cover that maintains moisture at an optimum level when moisture from stored food is evaporated. The antibacterial gasket keeps food fresh and healthy. The LG Direct Cool refrigerator makes ice faster. The Smart Connect technology helps you connect your refrigerator to home inverter in case of power cuts. Smart Inverter Compressor is designed to give unmatched performance, great savings, super silent operation and stabilizer-free operation.
The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator. It comes in 11 different colorways. It features stylish design, stabilizer-free operation, Smart Connect inverter and big bottle guard. The softly curved, round-top shape and unique grand door design add a sleek and stylish look to your kitchen. Its big bottle guards on the door are ideal for the thirsty household. They provide easily accessible storage space for large bottles. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator.
Presenting the Godrej single-door direct cool refrigerator that offers modern aesthetics with great functionality. Available in spacious capacities, energy-efficient ratings and aesthetic designs. The unit features inbuilt air vents for strong and direct cooling airflow that helps keep your food chilled and fresh. The spacious refrigerator can store your vegetables and fruits, as well as your favorite soft drinks and chilled water. The unit features adjustable and durable toughened glass shelves that can withstand the weight of heavy pots and pans. Don't worry about germs or bacteria from contaminating your food, as this unit is equipped with an antimicrobial resistance in the door gasket that keeps germs away. It is also removable and washable for better hygiene.
Whirlpool presents WDE range of refrigerators. The WDE range comes in 3 variants. The Classic with wire shelves, which is available in 2-star and 3-star energy ratings, and the Classic Plus and Godrej with toughened glass shelves, which are available in 3-star and 4-star energy ratings. Powered by insulated capillary technology, these refrigerators retain cooling for up to 9 hours during long power cuts. These Whirlpool refrigerators ensure optimum moisture retention with honeycomb lock-in technology that makes fruits and vegetables remain fresh for a longer duration. These WDE refrigerators feature spacious storage, sturdy and durable door bins for easy storage of up to 3 2-liter bottles to cater to your everyday needs. Our products also come with a base stand variant which can be used for the storage of dried food items such as onions, potatoes, etc. This range of refrigerators come with a warranty of 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor.
Presenting highest range of direct cool single door refrigerator, available in 190, 195 and 220-liter capacity with 3 stars and 4-star ISEER rating. Available in vibrant patterns and solid colors with a glossy finish. Its strong and direct cooling airflow inside the unit helps keep your food fresh for longer. The LED light inbuilt in the unit makes it look more beautiful. It comes with 3 durable and toughened glass shelves. These are strong enough to withstand the weight of the heavy pots and pans too. Higher stylish and smart DC refrigerators do not need a stabilizer for optimum operation, as it can function even at a lower power voltage of 130 volts.